What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing fun. I'm tired. We're gonna be playing OG Fun Monkey Horror, but it's gonna get pretty intense. So me and my friend are gonna be playing. What the? So let me text him. Go in code fear. Oh my god! I was just texting you to go in code fear, and I just see you right there. So today we're gonna be in Nextbots. The thing,
yeah. I'm his friend. This is my name. This is my channel on the screen.
Yes, this is his channel, Leapy GT.
Yeah,
subscribe to his channel.
Later, okay.
He's funny. But today we're gonna be.
Is that you? What's up, bro? Yo, Gerald, what's up?
Oh yeah, you. Oh my god. Yo, follow me. Follow me.
What's good, my baby?
Follow me.
Alright, let's get adjusting my headset.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Dog, what the f- You did not follow me. That red monster right there is way faster, so we're gonna have to run.
The second I saw that red monster following you, I said, heck nah, bro, I am not following him.
Come on.
You better get us both killed.
Alright guys, as soon as you...
Risking it for
It's not over there, it's not over there. I know how to get to the second level. Oh, yeah, I know. No, every time I get chased, I just should put like intense boss music.
Yo, what's up, Jerry?
Alright, let's just run together.
Jerry and Gerald are chasing us right now. I named them that because I wanted
Wait until they go. Oh,
look, Gary's over there too.
Just book it. 3, 2, 1.
2, 1. Do not book it.
Yes, book it.
What did I tell you, bro?
Fuck. Oh, you did it! Go down this one! Go down this hole! Bro, go down the hole where the monster is. Oh my god, he already died?
I didn't like the hole.
Alright, bro, come on.
Yo, what's up, Gerald?
Go down. Whee. Angry Munchie is here. By the way, you see him?
What the? No, not Munchie, bro. Gotta be the worst level, bro.
Yeah, he's like godly fast. Do you see how fast he is? But just automatically moving, bro. No! Oh yeah, if you die, it doesn't respawn you here. No! He's so fast! Hi.
He's so fast, bro.
Yeah, I told you. He literally killed me when I broke his ankles. Oh!
I'm risking it for the biscuit.
Yo, bro. Let's just play around with these monsters. Holy shit. He's so fast. He's so fucking fast.
Stupid monster. Oh god. Ting Tong Ling Long, come over here. No, Ting Tong Ling Long. What is up with my Ting Tong Ling Long?
Bro, I bounced right into her, bro.
That's a woman?
Yes.
No, Gerald, I hate you, Gerald.
What the hell?
Let's go. Made it to the second level.
Bro. Now that's the annoying part. Bro, I just died. Hold on, bro.
We're at the second level. I'm waiting.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
Bro, you're getting attacked right now.
I know.
Why is he here? Hey, God.
Just make it.
Bro, Gerald's over there.
I have to really come back to show this guy how to do it.
I can't tell. With. Holy shit. Why the fuck is he over there? Bro, what the hell? Yo! Bro! I'm cooked!
Why does my brother look like that?
I'm dead. I'm dead. It's gonna fling me off. Oh no!
But what if he's just
Yeah, he's so fast! Brother, you can't outrun his bro.
No. I saw two of those. I saw two of them.
Shh.
In level 2, I saw two of them.
Shut the fuck up. Why am I so much faster? What the heck? Oh, hey, you know. What the?
Oh, they're only camping They're only camping that place. Especially Ching Chong Ling Long, bro. Why? Ching Chong Ling Long.
I feel like one of them's gonna come from there.
Oh, Ching Chong Ling Long's gone.
But Gerald's in there. Gerald, you're being
now Gerald's in there. Gerald, get out, bro.
He's not.
Now Gary's in there, bro.
Gerald, Carol, Lerald, Ching Chong, Angry, Kunchai, Kunching, Kumbing, Angry
Oh man, it's in Japanese. Ching Tong Long Ling Tao. Wait, no, that's Chinese. Oh, great. It's in Japanese.
Ain't no way I'm just using tracking glitch right now. Oh, hell. Oh, yeah!
Yo, I hit a tracking glitch.
Oh my god, you have a way better tracking glitch than me. It's not fair, bro.
I'm on 3, bro.
Yeah, I know. I had to get to my grandma's house just to use my quest 3. Move, hand!
You see, the bad thing about my tracking glitch...
I think I die.
You think we should do the ending of the video now? It's time, man.
Bro, I want to go to Death Town, where you can meet that.
You said this game was only an Xbox game, a level.
Then we can just
Also, we don't want that.
Holy transition.
We don't want that long of. We don't want that long of a format. You know what I'm saying? Where's this squiggly monster at, bro?
Probably
He looks like my childhood dribble.
Shut the frick. It looks like. Oh, he's right here!
Oh yeah. What?
He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's in the building.
He's in that building?
Yes, he's all the way up there. He's up there in the building. You hear him?
Oh, my brother's He's not frozen.
Oh, you're cooking.
Yes, he just started moving. Are we cooked or cooked?
Cooked. He's right here. He's literally right here.
Like right there?
Yeah. What you can see is us through the window. Holy shit. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Stupid monster can't give it.
Ah!
That jump scare is the best in the game, bro.
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
Oh,
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone.
No,
he's
up
gone.
There. He's up there. Look. Look, I'll show you. I'll show you. He's up there.
I'm not going back. What the heck? I just got teleported back to the lobby. Hold on. Let me come back. I just got teleported back. What the heck? Bro, I just got teleported back to spawn. But I'm back. Fuck. Freak. Fuck. I'm gone. Oh, he's right there. Hey, big boy.
I think I'm gonna explode the building, bro.
I don't think you should. He's right on my butt. Oh, yeah, he's like probably fast.
Bro,
he's literally right over there. He's like right here.
We need the viewers to see us get jump scared so that they
Bro, I freaking got jump scared through the wall.
So let's go. Come on.
Okay, so let's not go. Oh, he's right there. He's right here.
You know, on second thought, I'm going in.
I just heard him. I hear him. Oh, he just moved. He just moved away.
Nah, is bro coming?
He's right there. He's perfectly right there. He was like right there. Good job. Oh. Yeah, he's right here. Oh, he's right there. Should we go get him? Should we go get him?
Let's go get him. It's for the video.
Why the fuck is he so fast? They're so loud.
Where's the staircase?
Where?
Where is the staircase?
Cause I hear him from right here.
Oh, the staircase is right there.
Let's see if he comes down.
I ain't even gonna hold you right now. I am so out of here.
I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Oh.
You can't give me.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what a jump scare. Dude.
Come here, bro.
Big boy.
Well, he am cooked. No, no.
I swear to god, he stopped moving. Cause that dude is fast.
My brother's fast.
I don't even understand.
Will he move if I... Oh, he's looking at me.
On my butt! Yo, I had invincibility for like a few seconds and I died.
Why'd you go back up the building, bro? You went back up the building.
Oh my god!
He sounds like some...
I hear him. Oh, it's right there. Oh yeah, let's go back up the stairs.
Yeah, let's go back.
Hell no.
Let's not go back.
Yeah, come on, let's go. What the fuck?
Let's go.
How'd you fucking die?
He's on the third floor, so he'll get us really easily. Don't worry.
The louder it gets. Wait.
Wait for it. Okay, I'm right behind you, don't worry. He's not gonna get you. He's not gonna get us.
Haha, loser. Oh, that probably got him mad.
What if you call him the robo word? Oh no, we still have to go. We still have to go.
Bro, I heard him getting closer. I was like, oh no. You know how close he is? Thank you.
I'm right behind you.
Oh, he's in there!
No, I saw him.
Go, man!
And he's not even there.
Yo! But he disappeared like
So
my
we have to
father.
get super close.
Hold on, don't go in. I gotta retighten my headset, bro.
Nah.
On God, I just saw it.
On God, I want to get out of here.
On God, I want to stay here. Crazy transition, dude. How am I moving like that? What the frick? Look. Oh, he's right there.
She's not behind you.
I saw this. Bro, I can show you the recording. He was right there. I saw his skinny legs run down the stairs. He was like, bro, he was like my fingers, bro. This is all I saw. Look at my fingers. What the hell? This is all I saw. Look. Get this out of me, bro. Come on. Oh, he's right there.
This time you're going in front because
Good boy.
I'm not dying first. Stay until it comes down the first stairs, and then immediately run. Okay, I'm right behind you. Don't worry.
I can't fucking see.
Go. Go.
This is so fast. No, stay away from my friend.
God.
No. He's on my.
Yo.
He's on my cheek, bro.
Hello, little monster. Do you wanna play a game?
Shut the frick up, Jack! Bro's hitting that freaking jig, bro.
Hold you right now.
Look at him. You wanna make a run for it?
If you get jump scared by him, you hate women. Hey, what's that?
Stay away from me!
Oh my God. You are the most. Get
Oh, it's the fact that he like runs right by you sometimes.
Stupid monster.
Oh my god, is that a monster?
Holy shit. Oh my god! He's so fast, he got behind the wall.
In like 2 seconds. Oh my god, a monster!
Hey, monster. Monster?
He's on my
My monster. My monster.
I think I fell.
He's not moving. Monster.
Oh, he's hitting!
Monster.
He's about to start moving. Once you jump down, he's gonna start moving.
It's a monster. What if I go from this side? He went from there and then came back, bro.
It was a monster!
That's not a monster.
I know my butt!
That's not a monster, bro. That's a dumb deal.
Oh, he's right there. Yeah, loser, you can't get me. Yeah, loser. Oh!
Oh, look, a monster.
Ooh, look, a monster.
Ooh, look, a
Oh,
monster.
he's...
Ooh, look, a monster.
Go, go. Ah, he's on my butt! He's on my butt! Where'd you freaking go? Oh, oh, he's right here! Where'd you go? Where are you?
I'm in the lobby.
Oh, you're in the lobby? How? You keep getting camped by this fucking... I don't know. Why are you in the freaking lobby, bro? Yeah! Ooh, look, a monster. Oh, you wanna go to the...
Oh my god. Please end the video already. End my suffering.
Well, that was the end for this video. One last jump scare. Oh, look! Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, he's not killing me. See? Ha, loser, loser.
You better subscribe. You, Tyler, Jimmy. I know you're watching too, Alexa. I know your coordinates too. 209 Team 3 E West 14109. So you better subscribe or I'll find you.